we created what has become the only 100% aqueous cleaning machine on the market. There's no heating, there's no baking, there's no blowing involved in any of our process. And it took a lot of work with engineers and just, service people and a lot of important industry leaders to come up with a system that allowed us to clean it without losing the effectiveness of a cleaning. And actually, when we came down to it, it was actually more effective is what we're finding out. But as we go through, there's a simple step-by-step process that we're going to increase that vehicle uptime. And the couple of the key things with our system, like I said, it's 100% aqueous, so there's no heating. It's a step-by-step process so that, you can have multiple filters going at once where you're limited on a thermal cleaning. How big is your kiln? When you put it in there, how big is it? And that just being in there, it's 10 to 12 hours. But if you have a small one, you can only fit 4. You can only clean 4 in a day, and ours, you can have 4 or 5 going at a time in different steps throughout the process. It's non-destructive. So it's safer and easier on the actual filter itself. So the precious metals that make up that filter, we're not harming those. So you can clean it more often, which is a huge asset. The big thing that makes ours different than some of the other methods out there is it's high volume, low pressure. So it's not just, hey, we're just going to throw water through it. We really spent time with these engineers and looked to see how it goes with our special surfactant that we made. And then the amount of water and the pressure it is. If you just, like I said, if you just put as much pressure as you can, that water just sprays everywhere. And we're not looking to do that. We wanted to help break up that soot and ash that's inside the filters and go through there and small enough and able to get through the walls inside the filter. So just a lot of research and development that went through it to make sure we got that process just right.